as straight set wrap is a wrapping pattern in which all the rods within a panel move in the same direction and are positioned on equal-sized bases. All the base section are horizontal and are the same length and width as the perm rod. The base control is the position of the tool in relation to its base section, determined by the angle at which the hair is wrapped. So that's the basic permanent wrap highlighted and the base control also highlighted. Permanent wave and processing using a basic permanent wrap. In the curvature permanent wrap, partings and bases radiate throughout the panels to follow the curvature of the head. This wrapping pattern uses pie-shaped base sections in the curvature areas. The bricolage permanent wrap is similar to the actual technique of bricklaying. Base sections are offset from each other row by row to prevent noticeable splits and to blend the flow of the hair. Different bricolage patterns use different starting points: front hairlines, occipital area, and crown. And these starting points affect the directional flow of the hair. The bricolage permanent wrap can be used with various combinations of sectioning, base control, base direction, wrapping techniques, and perm rods. The weave technique uses zigzag partings to divide base areas. It can be used throughout the entire perm wrap or only in selected areas. This technique is very effective for blending between perm rods with opposite base directions. It can also be used to create a smooth transition from the rolled areas into the unrolled areas of the partial perm. The weave technique can be used with a variety of base directions, wrapping patterns, and perm rods. The double rod wrap technique, also called piggyback wrap, discussed earlier, is a wrap technique whereby extra long hair is wrapped on one rod from the scalp to midway down the hair shaft. Another rod is then used to wrap the remaining hair strand in the same direction. The upper half of the strand is wrapped around one rod, and then the lower half of the same strand is wrapped around a second rod in an alternate direction and stacked on top of the first. The double rod wrap technique doubles the number of rods used. Using more rods increases the amount of curl in the finished perm, making this technique especially effective on long hair. Rods of various diameters may be used to create different effects. The double rod wrap technique can also be used with a variety of base directions, wrapping patterns, and perm rods.